Hi everybody, it's Bonnie here, the owner and founder of Archer and Olive. It is no secret that fall is one of our most popular collections of the year. Everybody looks forward to this, including myself and the entire team. I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking to you about the reason and the thought and showing off our new fall collection. So the fall collection, Forest Findings, was inspired by the slower, quieter moments that autumn brings. The kind that invite you to pause, breathe, and just really return to yourself. So think golden leaves drifting past your windows, the first sip of something warm, soft sweaters, long walks under crisp skies, and afternoons spent journaling by the window. We really wanted to capture that feeling of being tucked away from the world, tending to your thoughts like a garden. Each piece in this collection is designed to support those small, cozy rituals that help you care for your mind and creativity throughout the season. So with that being said, I just want to show off some of our designs in the collection, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all Wednesday, August 13th at 9 a.m. Central for the fall release. The Field Mouse journal is one of the sweetest pieces in this collection. It's very soft and gentle and quietly comforting. It's set on a dusty pink cover, and that kind of mirrors the muted tones of the turning leaves and the fading flowers. It really captures the tender side of fall. The little field mouse is nestled in the design, and it feels like a reminder to slow down and care for yourself in the smallest of ways. Whether that's jotting down your thoughts, sketching for a quiet moment, or simply making space to breathe, this is the journal for warm drinks, quiet corners, and soft stillness that autumn brings. The stickers feature the little mice in their cozy corner of the world, and the washi tape designs are absolutely adorable. This is also one of the notebooks that is great for customization, so you can get your notebook personalized and add your name or something special on the cover. I also wanted to share that all of our notebooks this fall season are going to come with a beautiful design on the spine, and this is the design that comes on the field mouse design. The next design I get to show off is our fox design, and our fox design was created to evoke that quiet mystery of fall nights when the air turns crisp and the stars start feeling a little bit brighter and everything just seems a little bit more magical. Two foxes curl up around the sun, the moon, and the stars, and that represents connection, intuition, and the quiet wisdom that comes when we take time to reflect. To show off the spine, we have the theme of the moon and the stars continuing on the spine. Foxes are clever, elusive creatures that know when to retreat and when to explore. So they are a perfect symbol of the balance of rest and creativity. This design invites you to lean into your inner world and follow your curiosity and find comfort in the stillness of the season. Are absolutely adorable, and they feature the fox with the fall leaves and a little hedgehog. And to show off the washi tape that comes with this collection, there are 4 different designs here, and each one evokes a different feeling about the season. Now, I've been using my fox journal. It's probably one of my favorites of the collection, and I've been kind of using it as a junk journal with some of the other fall items that we have here. And to talk a little bit about junk journaling and the way I've been using it, it's more than just a creative outlet. It is a real way to slow down and connect with yourself. So by layering these paper scraps, these memories, these textures, and little bits of everything, you create something that is entirely your own. And it doesn't have to be perfect. That is the beauty of it. The process itself becomes a really gentle, grounding ritual, and one that helps quiet anxious thoughts, sparks joy, and it kind of gives you more space to breathe. So I've had a lot of fun using a lot of the fall collection to create my junk journal. And our fox journal is another one that you can customize. I think this is going to be my journal for the season, and so I've gotten my name etched on the cover. Next journal in our collection is the Forest Impressions journal, and this is a celebration of the season's quiet beauty. the scattering of the autumn leaves pressed across the cover in a very warm silver tone that catches the light like the morning frost. It is inspired by traditional block printing. This design feels both organic and timeless, like something you might find tucked between the pages of an old book. Each leaf is a gentle reminder to slow down, let go, and find beauty in the change. It is the perfect companion for reflection, creativity, and cozy moments as the days start to grow colder. Our stickers are also inspired by block printing, and our washi tape has 4 unique designs that I have been absolutely loving working with. It has the warm plaid and the leaves scattered throughout. Our Chrysanthemum journal is probably my favorite journal in the entire collection. It features a lovely single detailed bloom on a really rich, rusty background. This color really echoes the fallen leaves, the spiced cider, and the golden glow of the autumn afternoon. Chrysanthemums have long been associated with reflection and resilience, so this is a flower that thrives in the cooler weather, and it blooms brightly even as the world starts to grow a little quiet. This design is a gentle nod to that same strength. It is a reminder that growth can happen in stillness and beauty can be found in letting go. It is the perfect space for capturing thoughts, memories, and the quiet shifts of the season. Our stickers feature different chrysanthemum blooms in really rich fall colors. And that's also echoed in the washi tape, which comes with this collection. There are 4 different designs in some absolutely stunning fall colors. Our bookshelf design is a love letter to the slow, thoughtful days, rows and rows of well-loved books etched across a warm gray cover, like a quiet corner in your favorite library. The spine is absolutely adorable and it features a shelf of books. It's meant to evoke the feeling of curling up with a story as the rain taps on the windows, or getting lost in a novel while wrapped in a blanket and the scent of something warm in the air. This notebook is actually available as both our dotted, lined, and blank versions as all the others are, but this notebook also comes as a dedicated reading journal. The design is perfect for anyone who wants to find comfort between the pages. So whether you're going to be tracking your favorite reads or letting your imagination wander, this journal is made for fall days filled with stories, stillness, and self-care. The stickers are everything I love about fall. You have tea, you have books, and you just really have that cozy vibe. And the washi tape really echoes that sentiment. The final book design I get to show off today is our extra special heirloom book, and it features a pomegranate tree full of fruit, which is a symbol of abundance and memory and things worth preserving. So this is set aside a deep, really grounding background. This design invites you to create something lasting inside. It is meant to hold your most important words, your family's stories, your dreams passed down, just moments that you really don't want to forget. Like the tree itself, it's rooted in meaning and filled with potential. So whether you use this as a legacy journal or a place for gratitude or a personal archive, the heirloom book is a sacred space to return to season after season and year after year. I have been using mine for a family album of all of our travels, and I've been using it along with some of the other fall accessories that we have, and it's just really a special place to kind of preserve these memories and get a little bit creative. So now I get the opportunity to talk about some of the fun accessories we have come out with this year. And one of my favorites, and I think this is going to be one of everybody's favorites, is our fall backpack. We obviously love everything about autumn, the warm, earthy tones that are kind of woven into this classical plaid pattern, and it feels really timeless and comforting. It's made from a soft cloth that is both really sturdy and cozy to the touch. So this backpack is really designed to go with you wherever the season takes you. We invested extra time and care and money into making sure the zippers are nice and smooth and very sturdy. This is going to be able to carry everything you need, your everyday essentials. It holds more than you would ever expect without feeling too bulky. So this backpack is really adorable, and I'm gonna try to show you on the inside. It expands and there's just so much room in there, including other pockets, and it's actually got 2 compartments, plus a little pocket here on the front. This backpack is going to be like your new favorite flannel, but it is made to carry with you into your world. And kind of in that same vein, we have our pin pouch, which this is everybody's favorite design. It fits so many pins on the inside. And then speaking of pins, we actually do have the acrylograph and the calliograph pins this season. My son has run off with my calligraphs, but I will show you the colors. And I've already been working with these so much, and they are absolutely beautiful, and they pair so well with everything in the collection. One thing I've been really excited about working with this year is our collage paper. And I've been really into junk journaling this year, and so I have been absolutely obsessed with the collage paper. It's so perfect for tearing and putting down inside your book, and there's so many different beautiful patterns in here, and they all evoke the fall season. I also have this little notepad, and this is also really great for junk journaling, or if you just want a little notepad to be able to throw into your purse. This paper is our same 160 GSM, but I love putting this on top of the collage paper and creating just like a nice little cozy place to write notes. And then for those of you who are fans of our stamps, which there's so many of you out there, we have 2 new stamp designs coming with the fall collection. We have the forest findings, and we have the creatures, the fall creatures. And this year we really listened to your feedback, and so we heard that y'all were tired of getting the same ink pads. So we're just selling the stamps as a separate item, and then we are selling the ink blocks, and the ink as separate items. That way, if you don't need them, you don't have to pay for them. So all you have to do is buy the stamps, and then that way it's gonna allow us to introduce more colors. And I do want to speak a little bit on our ink, which I don't have with me to show you right now, but we've really upgraded the quality of that ink as well. And finally, we have our little gift bag for the fall, and it is just kind of the entire season summed up into one lovely image. And these bags are amazing. I use them for everything. They carry like every single notebook we've got, and they're very sturdy. Well, I hope you have enjoyed looking at our fall collection. I can't wait to see you all on August 13th. That's a Wednesday at 9 a.m. Central for the release of the fall collection. I have no idea what you're gonna love the most, but I cannot wait to find out.